Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be doing a highly requested video, and as you can see from the title, today I'll be showing you guys how to use dump trucks in American Truck Simulator. So in this video, I'll be showcasing 3 mods that you guys can use to do jobs for dump trucks and rigid trucks in American Truck Simulator, and I'll be also showing you guys how to use them as well. Now before I get on with the rest of the video, I just want to let you guys know 2 things. Now the first thing that I want to let you guys know is that if you're currently using a dump truck in the game right now, and the mod creator for that mod did not make loads on that truck, you will not see a load appear in the back of the truck when you attach one of these trailers. Now in order for you guys to see a load in the back of the truck when you attach one of these trailers, the mod creator of the mod would have to have made a load attached to the truck, whether it had been through the trailer cables or otherwise. And if you don't understand what I'm talking about, I'll quickly demonstrate on one of the dump trucks that I have made. Now as you can see on this truck, when I attach the trailer, a load appears in the dump body of this truck. And as you can see, for this dump truck mod, I added quite a few load options that you can add to this truck as well. So if you're still here, let's get on with the rest of the video. Now the first mod that I'm going to show you guys is actually a mod that I use whenever I'm playing ATS, or if I'm recording a video that includes a dump truck. Now I'll be leaving the link to download this mod in the description down below, along with all the other trailer mods that I'll be using in this video. Now the only way to do jobs with this trailer is through the cargo market. So what that means is that you actually have to buy the trailer to attach to the truck. So to access this trailer, you go to the trailer dealer and just buy the trailer. This is not a trailer that you'll do any customization to. This is just a trailer that you buy and attach to the truck. Now after buying this trailer, there are 2 ways in which you can go about doing jobs with it. Now the first way that I'm going to show you is the way that I do it. I feel like doing it this way is a bit more realistic because you're not always driving around with a load in the back of the truck even if you're not doing a job. Now after buying the trailer, you're going to go to your trailer manager and click use. Now if your trailer is already attached, go ahead and detach it. Now this way you can drive around and go to job sites without having a load showing in the back of the trailer even when you're not doing a job. So even without having the trailer attached, you can still access the cargo market at job sites to select a load. Now after selecting your job, all you have to do is reverse into the box like you would if you were driving any other truck. So for this method, you're going to need to have your dev console set up. Now if you don't know what that is, when you have your dev console set up, this allows you to walk around your truck, it allows you to fly, and also teleport your truck from one place to another. If you don't have your dev console set up, I'll leave a link to a video in the description down below so you guys can watch that and have it set up. Now after backing into the box, as you can see, it's still not showing green. Now from here, all you need to do is hit 0 on your keyboard, and if you have your dev console set up, this should put you under the truck. Now from there, all you need to do is hit Ctrl F9, and that will automatically attach your trailer. And as you can see, the box is now showing green. Now all you need to do from here is switch off your engine and hit enter, and this should load your cargo. Now as you can see, the cargo has been loaded. So this is the method that I use for this mod. Another way in which you can do it is just attaching the trailer straight from your garage and drive around with the load in your truck at all times, even when you're not doing a job. If if you don't want to have your dev console set up, this is probably the method that you would use. But just know that reversing is going to be a bit challenging, so you'd have to skip the loading option when you get to a job site. Now the second trailer mod that I'm going to be showing you guys today is a little bit easier to use, because this trailer doesn't actually require you to buy a trailer and attach it to your truck. Because for this trailer you can access jobs from the freight market. Now this mod is actually on the Steam Workshop, so I'll leave a link to it in the description down below, or you can just type in the title of the mod in your search bar. It should be pretty easy to find. Now I should note that there's also a paid version of this mod. I'm not really sure what are the differences between the free version and the paid version, but if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link to it also in the description below. Now as I said before, this trailer is pretty easy to use. All you need to do is drive up to a job site and access the freight market. Now after selecting a job, all you need to do is reverse and attach your trailer. Very simple. So this mod is definitely the easiest to use out of all the three that I'm showcasing today. But one thing that I should let you guys know is that even though this is the easiest to use, this trailer does not always have the most options when it comes to selecting a job, and it also has the lightest loads out of all three mods as well. Now the last video that I'll be showcasing in today's video is actually a mod that probably will be familiar to a lot of people. It's actually a very old mod that happens to still be working in the game, and it's the Invisible Trailer by Capital. Now this mod works exactly like the first one. All you need to do is buy the trailer, attach it to your truck, and then access the jobs from the cargo market. Now another thing that I want to note is that picking up jobs from this specific job site is very easy with the invisible trailers, because there's actually a lot of space for you to park, so the chances of you clipping your trailer is a lot lower. Now the one downside of this trailer is that even after attaching the trailer, you will realize that the box still does not appear green. Now even without the box still not showing green, all you need to do is just switch off your truck and hit enter, and your cargo should be loaded. So I know that sometimes trying to do jobs with dump trucks in the game can be very confusing at times, but the more you use these trailers, the easier it will be for you over time. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys were able to learn something, and I hope you guys were able to follow along. Now if any of you guys watching has a better method on how to do jobs with dump trucks in the game, you can let me know in the comment section down below. And also if you have any questions and any issues, you can ask your questions in the comment section as well. All the trailer mods that I've used in today's video will be in the description box for you guys to download and use, and I've also tested all of them in the same profile, so it is safe for you to use all of them together. So that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.